Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the daily recap, my daily recap. As you can see here on my edge wonk, I took a loss. My only trade today, my only trade so far this week, it is Monday. I'm actually out of town, I'm in Orlando, so I'm not going to be taking any more trades this afternoon. I was in the trade long during the live session, about 10-15 minutes after we got off. The trend turned around and broke a bunch of levels to the downside. So we took a loss. My planned R was 2. I actually took a negative 1.5 R loss on this trade for negative $381. Now my R is $400, so really it's just a 1 R loss. But in this specific type of trade, because I took a smaller position size, but increased my stop, and I didn't make any adjustments to my target, even though I adjusted the stop, just because there was no follow through or momentum on this trade. So I didn't move my target to even that out. It was a 1.5 R loss. I actually want to talk to Franco about if I should make an adjustment to that for it to really just be a 1 R loss, because my R is $400, or if I leave it like that. But that'll be a discussion with him for another day. Let's take a look at that trade real quick. If we see here, I got in long, unfortunately, at the high. I had this line drawn out here when this candle, actually it was more so on the 5-minute chart that I took this trade. I was waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. When this 5-minute candle closed above this line, very bullish, I was trying to wait for a pullback to get in around this level here. But it pulled back some and then just broke out to a new high, so I didn't want to miss it, and I got in instead of getting in at a better price. And so I had to sit through miserableness for the next hour. Basically, I was in this trade for about an hour and 5 minutes. We got off the session, I think, here in this 5-minute candle, and one of these, either this green or this red 5-minute candle, right around 11 a.m. And then soon after that, it dropped. Now, my original stop was 10 points, but because I got in late, I took a smaller position size. You'll see here I have my normal position size of 8 contracts, risking $50 per contract, so $400. But I actually took this trade with 5 contracts, and so was able to risk 15 points instead of my usual 10, which would have gotten me stopped out in this pullback here. But I wanted to risk more, so I took a smaller position size. Allowed me to put my stop and risk this entire 5-minute candle. It did hold for an hour, but we just didn't see any follow through to the upside. And shortly after we got off, you can see that it crashed down. It even broke the low of this level here. I see here that it has made a nice pullback to this level. So if I was looking, I'd be trying to get in short, broke, pulled back. I'd be potentially looking for a short if the internals matched up. It is noon though. Has been a day with just no follow through, so I won't be taking any more trades today. But essentially, that was my trade. I took a loss. Like I told you guys, we're here to show you our winners and our losers. Minus 381, minus 1.5 R so far on the week. But again, nothing I can't recover from, and really just one good trade. So that's what I'm going to be looking to do tomorrow. We're going to stay patient. We're going to take one good trade. And with that, I say I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.